afternoon, everyone, and welcome to the channel. I know it's been a while since I posted. I've been super busy. I do apologize. Thank you for waiting patiently for this video. Today, we're going to talk about the Dodge Ghoul. There have been a lot of websites claiming the Dodge Ghoul is going to be a $200,000 car with a $20,000 deposit, a Challenger, that is going to have a 1,000 horsepower engine. It was actually listed on multiple websites. It just happened to be April 1st, which is April Fool's Day. Now, talking with my sources at Dodge, I have heard nothing confirming that the Dodge Ghoul is true. I don't believe the Dodge Challenger Ghoul is real. Many reasons for this. One, nobody's going to pay $200,000 for a Challenger, even with 1,000 horsepower. You could get a redeye like I have, and you'll have over 1,000 horsepower for less than a few $1,000s in mods. So it doesn't make any sense. That is a lot of money for 1,000 horsepower. Nobody's going to pay for it, and a $20,000 deposit doesn't make any sense unless it's a collector's item. Now, I've done many videos talking about the Dodge Angel. They did trademark it so nobody else could use that name, but they probably used the name Angel internally at FCA, just like they did with the Hellcat engine, but they're not going to call the vehicle the Angel. I mean, they could, but most likely not. It's hard to say what Dodge is planning next, but with all the Easter eggs they've hidden in their videos over the last couple of months, which I pointed out in my videos, they have something in the 900 horsepower range, running nines, coming out. I just don't think it's the Ghoul, as 200,000 is too much. The name Ghoul really isn't that appealing. No one's going to put $20,000 down on a deposit, and like I said, the price is ridiculous for a 1,000 horsepower car. That's just an April Fool's joke. Don't be all hyped up on the Ghoul name. I'm not saying for 100% fact it's not true. It could be Dodge's way of leaking just enough to the right people so they go crazy and nobody believes it. Then they drop a bombshell and here we have a new 1,000 horsepower Challenger. I just don't think it's likely. I do believe they're using this as kind of a decoy or a distraction from the fact that they are releasing a 900 horsepower plus car that is going to be coming out in the next year. They've already got the wide body Charger, which I said was coming, and here it is. The 426 is also here in the Rebel TR, like I said it would be, and the TRX is getting the Hellcat engine, so there is your Ram 1500 Hellcat or TRX. So they are doing a lot of things over at FCA, and the wide body Charger is what I'm most excited about. And I know a lot of people are probably going to be upset that the Ghoul is not real. I just really don't think that is the name they're going to use or the price point. I just think overall it was an April Fool's joke. But don't let that distract you from the fact that there is something super epic coming from Dodge later on this year. And not to mention, we got the Hellcat Durango on the horizon for later this year, early next year, which I think is going to be simply badass. So realistically, you just have to think about it like this. $70,000 for a Hellcat, $85,000 for a redeye, and about $90,000 to $95,000 for a Demon. Now they're about $100,000. Why would anybody spend $100,000 more than a Demon or a redeye, actually $120,000 more, for only an extra 200 horsepower or 160 over the Demon? It is a lot of horsepower, but it's not worth double the price. It's a little outrageous. It would have been more believable if they had said the Dodge Ghoul is coming out at $135,000 or $125,000. Then it would be somewhat believable. But at $200,000, I think not. But I'm hoping you guys enjoyed this video touching base on the Ghoul and why I think it's not real, but don't let it distract you, like I said, from the reality, the fact that Dodge has something huge in the works. And it could be a vehicle very similar specs to the Ghoul. I just think the name and the price are just too far-fetched. But we'll have to see what happens. If you're stopping in for the first time, go ahead and subscribe, thumbs up, comment below. What do you guys think? Do you think the Ghoul is real, or do you think what I'm saying is most likely accurate? Let me know what you guys think in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe. For all my returning subscribers, thanks so much for watching all my videos. Be sure to check out the store, drivewaydemons.com. Get your key tags, hoodies, t-shirts, and more. Lots of content coming on the redeye. I have been sponsored officially now. It's done deal. Diablo Sport Racing has sponsored the redeye, and very shortly we are going to be unlocking the PCM and tuning. And very shortly we are going to be tuning the redeye. It is going to be awesome. There's going to be a before and after dyno, and we're going to be going to the drag strip to see how it runs stock versus the tune, and I got to get better tires. Lots of stuff coming for the redeye. Stay tuned for that, guys. Lots of videos coming this week. Be sure to check out my brother's channel, This Can't Be Happening, all lowercase, one word. And also check me out over on Twitch. Search Driveway Demons over there. Twitch.tv, gaming after hours. Check me out once again, twitch.tv. But until the next video, guys, thank you so much for watching. I'm here in my garage. As you can see, I cleaned it out. It is spotless. Thanks so much for watching, guys. Take care and have a great night.